Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Mega Charizard X surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mega Charizard X surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to go ahead and fold my paper in half, just like I'm making a birthday card. Give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, let's take this, let's fold it one more time. And we'll give it another nice fold right here. Kind of like a big bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I've got these nice little guidelines in here that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing at. Now, I'm going to have my Mega Charizard X coming out of an Ultra Ball, because I think the Ultra Ball is pretty powerful. So I'm going to go ahead and trace something circular. So I'm going to use this little paint palette right here. You don't have to use something, but this just kind of makes it a little bit easier. So I'm going to start right here at the edge, and I'm just going to trace a nice big sad face. Then we're going to start right underneath here, and I'm going to make a nice big happy face. And when I'm done, I have this nice circle here. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I want to make a small circle in the middle here. So I'm going to begin by making a little sad face like this. Then right underneath it, I'm going to make a little happy face. That'll be the inside of our little Ultra Ball. Next, I want to make the line across. So I'm going to make a line that comes really, really close to my circle, but I'm not going to touch it. And I'll do the same thing over here, really close, and just come right across here. Next, let's connect it with a sad face right above it. Same thing here. We're going to make a line really close to that circle, and we'll do the exact same thing over here. Then let's go ahead and make a nice smiley face to connect it. Now we want to turn this into an Ultra Ball. So I want to start right about here, and we're going to make a line that's going to come up. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that comes up. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to start right about here, and I'll make a line that's just going to come up. Next, I'm going to connect these, and I'm going to make it a little bit curved. So we'll just come up and down to connect. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a little bit of a curved line that comes up. So we'll start right about here, and we'll draw a little line that comes up. And we'll do the same thing here, just bring a little line that comes up. And then we have our Ultra Ball. Now the next step is to open this up, and we're going to draw our Mega Charizard X on the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our Ultra Ball. We have the top and the bottom. So let's go ahead and finish this off before we draw our Mega Charizard X. So we'll begin at the top. Let's go ahead and bring this line down just a little bit. And we're also going to bring this line down just a little bit. We'll do the same thing on here. Bring these two lines down just a little bit. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to bring all four of these little lines up just a little bit so they go right past our fold. Next, all we're going to do is just make a nice straight line right across from one side to the next. And you can always connect these if you miss them. Same thing here. We're going to draw a nice little line right across here and connect them. Now to start off with our Mega Charizard X, let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right about here where this fold is. So to do this, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to go back here like a check mark shape. Next, we're going to curve a line that's going to come over and up for the eye. To draw the inside of the eye, we're going to go ahead and make a little line down, and then a small circle shape right here. For the other eye, let's just draw a little line that's going to curve up right here. We're not going to see it, but we'll just know that it's right there. For the nose, let's draw a line that comes down just a little bit. We're We're going to curve a line that's going to come up and down here. Next, we're going to bring a line that's going to come up and then down for the mouth. And then right here, we're going to add another little bump for part of the nose, and we'll put a little dot in here. Now, we're going to make the fire that comes out of his mouth. So I'm going to make some little curvy lines that come up here. And then we're going to make some little curvy lines that come right here. I'm going to connect them with a little point and a curve. Then we're going to add two little V shapes for some teeth. And a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and then up for the mouth. I'll also make two little points in here for some teeth. And a little line is going to come down and back with a little line in for the tongue. Now to draw the jaw, we're going to draw a line that's going to come around, and then we're just going to bring it up here. Now let's draw the top of the head. We're just going to continue this line up to here. Then I'm going to bring this up to a point and come back down to draw the spike. We'll draw a little curved line here. And we'll make another line that's going to come up to a point and then back down here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out and then down here. I'm also going to make a little curved line right on each one of the points of our spikes. Now to draw the neck, let's just draw a line that's going to curve in. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down for the other part of the neck. Then starting here for the body, let's just draw a line that's going to go down and it's going to kind of curve in. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down here, just to show where like the stomach is. Right about here, I want to make the hand of our Mega Charizard X. So the first thing is I'm going to make a little sad face, like this, for one of the fingers. Then I'll make another sad face that's going to curve around, and then it's going to come back out for like a claw. Then we'll bring this down. I'll make a little V shape with a top right here for another claw. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, it's going to go down, and then over. And then we'll make a little point that goes down and in for the third claw. We'll bring this line over. We'll make a little line that comes down. And then I'll make a little line that's going to come down and then right up here. And then we'll make a little line here for the shoulder. Then we're just going to draw a line that comes a little farther down for the body. Now over here I'm going to make another arm with a hand on it. So we'll draw a line that's going to come down and then over. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out and we're going to bring it up just a little bit. Right here we'll curve a line that's going to come down to a point and back. We'll do another one here. We're going to come down to a point and back. And one more here, down to a point and back with a little curve. Then I'll make some little curved lines here. Now I want to make the wings. So to start off with the wings, I'm going to begin by just drawing a line right here that's going to curve up. We're going to curve it down to a point and then back. I'll make a little line that's going to come out here, and then I'm just going to run the whole length right here. I'll make a little line that's going to come out in, out to a point in, out to a point to here. And then we'll make the other wing over here. I'll curve this line up. We'll put a little hook on it right here for a claw. Then we're going to bring a line that's going to come out to a point, and then we're just going to run it right along here. And we'll do that same thing. We'll come out to a point in, out to a point in, and we'll just do that a few times right here. Now, right over here, I just want to add the tail. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out here to a point, and I'm going to bring it back. And then I'm just going to make a wavy, kind of pointed line on here, just to make it look like fire. We'll add a little curved line there, and a little line that comes right down here, just to show that there's going to be some different colors. And there you go, there is your Mega Charizard X Surprise Fold. So when I have it all folded up, we have our little Ultra Ball right here. And then when we open it up, our Mega Charizard X is popping out of there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.